Hey guys, today we're going to make one of my favorite dishes, jambalaya. So let's get started. These are just some of the ingredients that you'll be needing to cook the jambalaya. First, what we want to do is render down some bacon fat. Always cook with something to drink. After the bacon fat has been rendered, you can just take this out, save it for a BLT, or give it to the dogs. Next we put in our chicken thigh. We're going to brown this, and we're going to take our seasoning mix and lightly season that. I'm going to pull it out after it's been browned. We're going to take our spatula and we're going to scrape all these lovely little bits off the bottom, and then brown our onions. After our onions been browned, we're going to take our sausages. I have kielbasa and some andouille sausage in here. I'm going to brown this up, and part of the fat is going to help deglaze the pan. Brown and cook this for about, let's say, 5-6 minutes. After that's done, we're going to throw in the rest of the vegetables. Got about 3 stalks of celery, and a whole red bell pepper. The important thing to remember is that all the ingredients are in equal portions. We're going to season our vegetables with our spice mix. And we're going to cook this down for probably about 5, 6, 7 minutes. Next we're going to add our chicken back to the pan. Get that all going together. Then add our tomato. The important thing to remember here is that tomato adds extra juice, so when you add the rice, you need to account for the liquids that you're adding. Because there's probably another half a cup of liquid in there. Season the rice up. Together really good. to a nice boil and add our chicken stock. Last ingredient, double bay leaves. Let that all simmer nicely, cover the pot, and reduce to low. Should be ready in about 30 minutes.